well knowing that, is that right? Knowing full well that this will probably get 0 to 1 view per average, but this is the direction I want this channel to go into until further notice, because as much as I want to put into this channel, first of all, I don't have the time because I'm just a dickhead. Like, to edit and to put what's in my head onto action, I don't have the resources nor the time. Secondly, I mean, that's pretty much it. So I'll just talk. Anyways, I got my mechanical keyboard today, so I can show you guys that. If you'll come out here, my first mechanical keyboard, pretty cool stuff. Oh shit. Nope, should not type that in there. Okay, here. Nope, don't want to do that either. Here, put it in here. I think my computer froze. Nope, just nope. Oh, there. Okay, there you go. So yeah, got my first mechanical keyboard. Cool stuff. Very tactile, very beautiful. But yeah. So what was I saying? Yeah, I don't have the time or the resources, or, as you know, the motivation. Because, you know, if no one's gonna watch your shit, then why do you even want to do it? You know, I'm just doing it for the point because I need an outlet now. And so yeah, I showed you my keyboard. I'm gonna probably title this mechanical keyboard. And it's just hard, you know, when no one's viewing your shit. You know, they say you always gotta start from somewhere. I started in the August of 2008. But if you check, my oldest video is like 2011. It was like some video I made on the PS3. It was the Ragdoll game. I just directly uploaded it. So it's been about 5 years, right? And my channel has not come into fruition of anything. And then I look at someone like Rice Gum, who has just blown up. But that's not who I am. I can't do... I mean, I can do skits, but... like I said, I don't have the time or the resources. But... yeah. I don't know. So yeah, I'm gonna end this video. Good night. I don't know. No one's gonna watch this anyway. Good night.